Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we dive into the world of electric scooters with a full review of the AOVO X11. This electric scooter promises an exceptional riding experience. Upon opening the AOVO X11 box, you will find the electric scooter, a charger, 2 keys for battery removal, a user manual, tools for assembly. Let's talk performance. With its powerful 450 watts motor, the AOVO X11 can reach a maximum speed of 25 km/h and 35 km/h. The scooter is made of aluminum, giving it great robustness for a weight of 19 kilograms. The finish is impeccable, with a matte paint job and careful detailing. The integrated LED panel offers an intuitive interface, displaying crucial information such as current speed, battery level, and selected riding mode. Unbridging. The scooter can be unbridled to reach a speed of approximately 35 km/h. It is important to note that unbridging may affect the battery range and warranty. It is capable of climbing slopes of 20 degrees. The scooter is equipped with 10-inch tires that provide exceptional grip on various surfaces, and front suspensions effectively absorb shocks for a smooth ride. It also features rear disc brakes for enhanced safety. Riding the AOVO X11 is enjoyable and intuitive. The scooter is stable and responsive. The folding system is simple and efficient. The 36 volts 13 ampere hours battery offers a generous range, allowing you to travel up to 50 kilometers on a single charge. The charging time is approximately 5 to 7 hours. The scooter is equipped with front and rear lights for improved visibility at night. Conclusion. The AOVO X11 is an excellent electric scooter and a must-have for electric scooter enthusiasts for daily commutes. It is powerful, comfortable, and safe. It is available at an affordable price and comes in various colors. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming reviews. Price, $595.